undo the bolts holding the trigger mount in place on the coupler body. With a flat screwdriver, pry the captured leg of the coil spring away from the coupler body. The reset trigger assembly is now free to be removed. Before installing the trigger assembly, the DU bush must be fitted. To do this, simply press the bush into the housing, making sure the top hat is on the same side as the loop. Apply a small amount of grease around the loop flat surface and on the trigger mount shaft. Assemble the two parts together by sliding the shaft through the bush from the loop side. Fit the coil spring over the shaft, ensuring the short leg of the spring is locked into the trigger slot. Locate the shaft into the machine pocket on the inside of the coupler body and insert the two bolts. Lightly tighten, leaving a small gap between the bracket and coupler body. Using a hook tool, carefully lever the coil spring leg into the pocket on the coupler body to load tension on the coil spring. Complete the tightening of the bolts and torque to the recommended specification.